Hey there, fabulous viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make everyday tasks simple and fun. Today, we're diving into how to check your Zudio gift card balance in 2025. Whether you're a shopping enthusiast with a gift card ready to use or just want to keep track of your funds, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Zudio, the go-to brand for trendy fashion, has made checking your gift card balance easier than ever with their updated 2025 features. Let's jump right in. First off, the most straightforward method is using the Zudio app. If you haven't got it yet, download it from your app store. It's free and super user-friendly. Once installed, open the app and log in with your account. New users? Sign up quickly with your email or phone number. Now, navigate to the Gift Cards tab, usually found on the home screen or in the menu. Enter your 16-digit gift card number and any required security code, then hit Check Balance. Boom! You'll see your available amount instantly, along with any expiration details. If you prefer the web route, head over to the official Zudio website at zudio.com. Log into your account. Don't worry, it's a quick process. Look for the My Account or Gift Card Services section, enter your card details, and get your balance displayed right away. This method is perfect for when you're on a computer. For a more personal touch, swing by any Zudio store. Just hand your gift card to a cashier, and they'll scan it or check it manually for you on the spot. It's great if you're already out shopping. Lastly, if tech isn't your thing, call Zudio's customer service line at 1-800-ZUDIO. Have your card handy, provide the necessary details, and a friendly representative will verify your balance over the phone. A few quick tips. Always treat your gift card like cash. Keep it safe from loss or damage. Also, with 2025 updates, balances might auto-refresh, so check regularly to avoid surprises. There you have it, folks. Checking your Zudio gift card balance is now a hassle-free experience. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.